Having problems plunging your toilet? Stick around, I'm going to show you guys how to do it quick, easy, and efficient. Let's get into this. Hey everyone, back in the bathroom again. I'm Clayton and part of the Plumbing Gurus. Welcome to our channel, and on this channel we're striving to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. So stay tuned and check out this video. Alright, so in this video we just went out and bought a brand new corky plunger here. You'd be amazed how many times I go to people's houses and they're like, my toilet's clogged, we need the toilet snaked. Well, guess what? It just needs a good plunging. And a lot of times what it is one of two things. The first thing is that they don't have the proper plunger for their toilet, and the second one is they don't understand the concept of plunging a toilet. I know it's a very, very basic thing to do, but some people just don't get it. So in this video, we're going to show you guys how to do it properly. Let's do this. Alright, so now we're here with the toilet. So this toilet is not clogged. We're just using this as a demonstration to show you guys how to properly plunge a toilet. Down the road, when we do have a clogged toilet at a customer's house or a client's house, and it just needs a plunging, we'll definitely do a video and we'll show you guys in action on how that procedure is done. In this case, what we're going to do is, the first step we're going to do is we're just going to push the plunger down right in the middle of the toilet bowl. And what you want to do is you want to just kind of create a little bit of pressure on the toilet and push down into the toilet just like this. Now when you come up, you'll feel, I can feel now that I've got a suction. So if you don't have that suction and you're plunging, all you're going to be doing is forcing the water back up into the bowl. You won't actually be forcing any pressure or force through the bowl, through the little P-trap in the toilet and down into the toilet drain. So once you've got this suction here, then you want to vigorously go back and forth, and you can hear now, I've pushed now, just from doing this, I've pushed all the water through the P-trap in the toilet down into the drain. And that's it. That's a very, very simple procedure, and you can see the water line is a little low because that's the water that I've pushed down the P-trap. But it's very important that you want to have that suction before you start plunging up and down. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Alright everyone, thanks a lot for watching our video. Now if you haven't noticed already, but this is definitely a power tip, because when someone like me from our company or from another company, they'll charge you a minimum charge just to come out to snake a toilet or to plunge a toilet. Some companies will charge a few $100 to come do this, when all it is just a plunging. So here in these videos here, like I was demonstrating before on how to do this properly, we're trying to save you guys money so you guys can learn how to do these small jobs on your own, so you don't have to call a professional to come do a job like this that's very simple that you could just do on your own. Once again, we'd like to say thank you very much for all the subscribers we have right now. It helps us to keep motivated, create more videos just like this one to keep you guys all informed on all the proper plumbing practices that we like to use. Stay tuned guys. Thanks a lot for watching our video. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Have a good one guys.